Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, a Spartan Hair Shampoo review. So you might be wondering, what is the Spartan Root Activator Shampoo here? Well, the thing with Spartan Root Activator Shampoo is it's a hair care product marketed towards men, positioned to address hair thinning and shedding by targeting scalp and follicle health rather than functioning as a standard cleaning shampoo. Now, it's sold as a standalone product or bundle with matching conditioner and hair spray. Now, in this case, listed ingredients include Panax ginseng root extract, Eclipta prostrata extract, Polygonum multiflorum, also listed as Photai root extract, and rice root extract, and peppermint oil, ginger root extract, biota or orange thallus leaf extract, and caffeine, and a lot more. And among others, depending on the specific listing. Now, it's described as free of sulfates and harsh chemicals and made in an FDA registered GMP certified US facility, so suitable for all hair types. Now, that's according to them. Now, in this case, how do you use this? Now, for use, you need to wet your hair thoroughly with warm water in the shower, making sure the scalp is fully soaked first. Now, from then on, you want to go and just massage your shampoo into the scalp and hair, distributing it evenly. Now, let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing, and recommended frequency varies slightly by page. And some listing daily use as fine, others recommend around 3 to 4 times a week for best results. And the brand's own materials note that visible results are commonly reported after about 6 to 12 weeks of consistent use. It can be paired with the companion conditioner or hairspray for additional effect. Now, on the pricing side here, though, a single bottle listed is around $64.95 on the brand's main site, but sometimes they do actually change this up. Now, sometimes it's priced around like $59.95 per bottle, and basically there are other options as well, like bundles here, like the best value that you get out of it. Like for example, the six bundle and the 3 times bundle here, which again brings the pricing a bit on the lower side, but then again you are paying for the per bottle here, which brings up your total, but then again lowers the total cost of per each bottle here if you do decide on buying on multiple bottles. Now, they do offer it's also like sold exclusively through the brand's own site and also Amazon, and not other third-party retailers. And it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee that you can actually see in here. As you can see, it's listed in their website. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.